There are days when the battle looks bigger than yourself. There are days when the opponent seems invincible. There are days when luck doesn't favor you. Nothing seems to go your way. That is the day a champion is born. Hunters Cricket.
Think of health. Think of us. Think of weight management. Think of us. Think of lifestyle modification. Think of us. We are Anchal's Nutri-Treasure. We have a history of changing life to healthy life over the period of 2 years now. Healthy life with healthy diet is the name of the game we all are in for. If yes, we are the one, Anchal's Nutri-Treasure. Personalized services from qualified dietitian Anchal Garg Sharma around metabolic disorders like diabetes mellitus, cholesterol, hypertension, thyroid, and PCOS management, etc. Interested healthy life, healthy diet believers can reach us at our Facebook and Insta pages at anchal.nutritreasure, email anchal.nutritreasure@gmail.com, contact number 886-042-8386.
What are the ingredients of a great team? Chomping on foods together. Sticking like glue together. Having fun together. Going places together. Doing stuff differently together. Celebrating together. So, what are the ingredients of a great team? Being together. Hunters Cricket.
Good evening, everyone. This is Rahul. Welcome you again on the 5th episode of Off the Field with Rahul, sponsored by HunterSportsClub.com. So before I invite the guest of the night, let me give a quick surprise.
Hello guys, I'm Arpit Rao from Hunters Cricket family. The guest we are going to talk about today is a great person. He's the gem for our team. He speaks very little, but he answers with his great bowling. Sometimes he dropped catches because of his small hands, but with a big heart, he grabs many deep things. So let's see what other secrets are going to open today. I'm eagerly waiting. Thank you. All the best.
Hello everyone, I'm Sandeep from Hunters family. I'm privileged to talk here about our guest who is a spin wizard of Hunters, also known as Shane Warne. He is a poet by nature and he's super quick on field. I'm eager to see which part of his talent will reveal this Sunday. Stay tuned. Bye bye.
हेलो गाइस, आज जो हमारा गेस्ट आ रहा है उसके बाद कुछ स्पेशल टैलेंट्स हैं बॉल वो दोनों साइड स्पिन कर लेता है। हाथ उसके चाहे जितने मर्जी छोटे हों, पर वो एक हाथ से कैच पकड़ता है गाइस, एक हाथ से। ही इज़ वेरी फास्ट इन फील्ड, वेरी एग्रेसिव। फील्ड के बाहर थोड़ा सा क्वाइट हो जाता है, शांत हो जाता है, थोड़ा अपनी मस्ती में रहता है, लेकिन जब वो ग्राउंड के अंदर है तो वो आग लगा देता है। और आप उसको एक पेन दो, एक पेपर दो, उस पेपर में भी आग लगा देगा। ऐसी वो शायरी लिखता है। ब्रो, हमारा सॉन्ग बहुत जल्दी आएगा। आई एम वेटिंग कि लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो और हम इस पर वर्क करना शुरू करें। तू ही मुझे अब सिंगर बनाएगा, तू ही। ऑल द बेस्ट। एंड राहुल, डोंट गो easy on him, okay? Just don't go easy on him.
Great surprise. So I hope our guest of the night likes it. So if you have guessed it correctly, then great. And if you haven't, then I will not disappoint you. Don't worry, I'm here. So let me give a quick introduction to the guest of the night. So he is from the Hunter's Black. He is a poet. He is a charmer. Few of us call him a babyface assassin. He has a great female fan following. On that note, एक शेर अर्ज किया है, गौर फरमाइएगा। लफ्जों की गूगली से छीना है इन्होंने लड़कियों का चैन। लफ्जों की गूगली से छीना है इन्होंने लड़कियों का चैन। Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome none other than Heather Hussain.
Hello, Rahul
Welcome.
Bhaiya.
Welcome to the show, Heather.
Welcome. You too.
Okay,
How
कैसा
are
लग
you,
रहा
Rahul
है?
Bhaiya?
I am absolutely fine. तुम्हें कैसा लग रहा है? How are you feeling?
Good. Great.
Okay,
Little
nice.
nervous, you know.
No, you don't have to be nervous. You don't have to be nervous. Just enjoy the entire episode, or just enjoy the entire chat. It's a conversation which we are having. So you don't apply your brain. Just use your heart, and I'm sure that you will do your best.
Yeah, I have my heart with me.
Yeah. I know you have your heart at the right place. So, Heather, for you and for our audience as well, what we have done, we have changed the entire format from the last episode. So, there are few changes. If you've been following us, I'm sure you've been following us. And if you're not, I'll kill you.
Definitely.
I'll kill you for that. So what we have done, we have bring in some little bit changes. The entire episode or the entire section is divided in four. Okay, and first section is pitch report, where we'll be talking about your life, your journey before you started playing for Hunters and how you started playing with Hunters. Then in second round, that is power play, and we'll see how you bowl in power play basically. Okay, so you'll have a minute, and I'll give you a minute to win it.
Yeah.
You will be asked 6 questions and see how many variations you have in your kitty.
I have lots of.
We'll see that. Don't worry.
Yeah.
And third is reverse swing. Since I'm a medium pacer, so expect few bouncers. And I know. No.
I'm not a good batsman, you know very well.
So just be prepared. You have to face a lot of bouncers, and there'll be some great in-dippers coming.
Can I send Gulam sir behalf of me?
Send anyone, bro. I'm not scared of anyone. And the last round is dugout, where we'll be talk about what actually happens in Hunter's dugout. So, are you excited?
Yeah, totally.
Pumped up. All set.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. So, starting up with our first round, which is pitch report.
Hi, this is Dharamjit Singh from Hunters Family. Today I just want to talk about the guest who are coming in our episode. He's one of my friend. He's a quickest fielder in Hunters Family. If I talk about, he have very small hands to pick catches, but every time he will drop so many catches. But I remember one of the memories where he took brilliant catch with small hands. He is the leg spinner also. He's my teammate, he's my one of best friends. So all the best for him. Let's enjoy their episode with him. Just think about his guess. Thank you very much.
Hey guys, there is a proverb in Tamil which says Karudu Sirthalum Karam Koriyadu, which hardly translates to the size of the thing does not necessarily indicate its potential. So this guy is a perfect app for that proverb, and he's a pocket-sized dynamite with full of power and energy, and is lightning fast on the field, and he's an amazing spinner that we have.
Okay, Heather. So in this particular round, let's start. Who is Heather? Tell us something about Heather and the entire family.
Okay, yeah, myself, Heather Hussain. I'm from Allahabad, born and raised up in Allahabad. And I used to play cricket with my school and with my college. And there are 3 members in my family, including me, my mom, and my younger brother. And I came to Delhi last year. Since then, I've been working in Delhi. And joining Hunter was an incident, you can say, because I was
Who introduced you to Hunters?
Mukul Bhai. Actually, he was my trainer. Yeah.
So I got to know that he's been training you in a lot of things.
Yeah.
So
He's my
now
mentor.
I can connect the dots. So from where you're getting all these trainings?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I played first match in Croyer Stadium in Haryana, and I took 2 wickets in that match and 1 catch. And
Okay.
unfortunately, that batsman was Adit Bhai, Adi Bhai.
Okay, it was within the Hunters. The match was Oh.
between us.
nice, and between us, amongst us. Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. Oh, it was quite a debut, not a bad debut. 2 wickets in one debut. It's not bad at all in a T20 game.
That's why I'm in club.
I was doing some research, and I got to know that you have, you come from a cricketing background. Your dad also used to play cricket. Then your granduncle was also a well-renowned cricketer. He has played for Railways, right? He has captained Railways, and he is
15 years.
and he is currently under 19 selector. Correct me if I'm wrong.
No, he's in
He
BCCI
was.
Technic. He was a 19 India selector, but right now he's in BCCI Technical Committee.
That's great, yaar. You have quite a connect. So tell us, entire journey of a cricketer. So you have so many people coming from the same background. So was it घर से कभी push आया कि you should play cricket or you should not play cricket? Because when you have so many people around you, when you have so many advisors around you, you tend to get so many advices that these are the right things to do, these are the wrong things to do. So you never tried to be a professional cricketer?
No, my dad encouraged me. Means when my dad was alive, he encouraged me to play cricket, and he was the only person who get me admission in Madan Mohan Malvi Cricket Stadium in Allahabad. Okay, but as my father expired in 2009 when I was in high school, after that I skipped cricket for 3 years. So from that,
Okay, probably from that. So you never tried after that?
No, not at all. I left cricket that time.
So what inspires you in life, Heather?
My mom, obviously, because she is my, power source, you can say, and she, made me what I am today just because of my mom. She has done an ample amount of sacrifices for both of us.
I agree. Parents have done a lot for us. We can't even thank. A mere thank would not be enough.
Yeah. For my mom, I would like to, share a line, if you allow me.
Sure. Why not?
Yeah, that कमा के इतनी दौलत दी मैं अपनी माँ को ना दे पाया, कमा के इतनी दौलत दी मैं अपनी माँ को ना दे पाया कि जितने सिक्कों से वो मेरी नजर उतारा करती.
क्या बात है Heather, क्या बात है. That was really nice, yaar. Worth applauding, man. Really impressive, yaar. You can be a professional poet as well. Do you have any page as well, or do you have any page or sort of thing on Instagram or Facebook?
Yeah. On Instagram, if you follow me, so you can say I share lots of handwritten stuffs on there.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very well done.
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's quickly switch and explore more about Heather. The craziest thing you have done in your life.
Craziest thing, lots of craziest thing I have done.
I know that you are a very shy person. You doesn't open up so easily. That's the reason I tried,
Yeah.
asking
Yeah.
simple questions. Let's start with the family background and with your life. now tell us.
Yeah, I take sometimes to mingle with a person. That's why I'm not a shy person, but I take some time.
You take
to
time.
get
You take time. Exactly.
Yeah.
So tell us now. Reveal some secrets.
Craziest thing. I still remember. I was in BCom first year in Allahabad University, and that was my accountancy exam. My accounts exam was there. But after exam, I directly went to cricket ground and play cricket all day long. My mom was worried about that. Where is my son? Where is my son? She called all my relatives and everyone. I came back to home around 8 o'clock, and my mom, gave me a hard slap. I received lots of beating therapy from different, persons.
So you didn't inform anyone. You didn't inform your mom that you will be coming late and you are at the playground playing cricket.
No, I didn't inform anyone. I had no mobile that time. That's why.
That's crazy. So next day exam था आपका?
Yeah, next day.
Next day exam भी तो भाई. That is actually crazy. And only you can expect such thing from cricketers only. That you even I was like that in my teens.
Yeah, as I realized that we can leave cricket, but cricket somehow cannot leave us.
Cannot leave us. Cannot even. Once a cricketer, always a cricketer.
Yeah, definitely.
I buy that. So, do you watch Bollywood movies? Everyone does in India, right?
Yeah.
Cricket and Bollywood. These are the two things, right, for us. So, what's your favorite Bollywood movie?
What? 3 Idiots.
3 Idiots. Oh, that's nice. Even I love that movie.
Yeah.
Raju Hirani, hats off to you.
Yeah, obviously.
So, if I ask you कि यार कोई अपनी Bollywood movie का favorite dialogue, if you have to do that, so I got to know. Okay, one more thing. मैंने सुना कि आप mimicry वगैरह भी करते हो और I don't know कि आप hunters में से किसी की करते हो नहीं करते हो, but definitely I have seen you doing that कि आप Sunny Deol और Augie, right? Augie the cockroach.
Augie. I love watching Augie and the Cockroaches.
I'll give you a situation right now. Let's say there is a famous dialogue of Bollywood movie. You can pick any favorite dialogue of yours of a Bollywood movie, and you have to enact, मतलब Sunny की आवाज में और या फिर Augie की आवाज में. Can you do that for us?
Yeah, definitely.
It would be great for us. So let's do it.
Augie की आवाज में. Okay. Dialogue नहीं, अगर मैं ऐसे कार्टून की अगर करूँ, it would be fine.
No. it's my thing. I am the judge. I decide everything here. So pick any favorite dialogue and do that. Or you want to do it for cartoon? I'm okay with that.
Okay, cartoon. Okay, let me just do the mimic of cartoon. Okay. चंदा मामा सो गए, सूरज मामा जाग गए, ऑगी तू भी सो जा. भैया भैया मैं अभी नहीं सोऊंगा. ओए मार दूंगा, चीर दूंगा, फाड़ दूंगा.
So that was Sunny.
Yeah.
Sunny and
Shahrukh. Yeah.
Acha, Sunny and Shahrukh. Augie the cockroach. That's nice.
Yeah. Thank
Good
you.
job done on that. Not bad. Okay. Now there is a serious question.
Okay.
Since there is a lockdown situation, the entire nation, entire globe is facing the global pandemic.
Exactly.
Our world is fighting against it. But there is a situation. Okay. If you locked yourself out, locked out, you're completely locked out, right?
Whole world is locked down right now, bro.
Right. So there's a difference.
Okay.
There's a difference. We are locked out, but we still have permission that we can move out little bit, right? But you have completely locked yourself out. You have locked the keys, right? 3 things you would need to survive. You cannot ask for telephone or internet.
Okay, first, ample amount of foods, lots of foods.
You'll get the food supply, but that's up to me. I'll see. I'll check on the food supply.
Please.
What about other things?
Please, biryani. I love biryani, please.
Yeah, see, Mukesh also said biryani. You also said biryani. Why are you guys stuck with biryani, man? But though I also
Man
love
who
biryani.
doesn't love biryani is not a man.
I also love biryani. That too, mutton biryani.
Okay.
So yeah. Coming back
first
to
of all, yeah, food first, second books, and third,
what kind of books? What kind of books you read?
Self-help books, Robin Sharma, Paulo Coelho.
So I hope
Robert
not
Kiyosaki.
those which are available outside railway station or bus
No,
station.
not at all, not at all.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
What's about that smile? I can see a big smile. Are you hiding something from us, Heather?
No, why would I? I'm not Enrique Iglesias. You can run, you can hide.
I have heard lot of things about you. Are you sure?
No, not at
Okay, I'll check that. I'll validate that with your friends. And then what was the third thing? You need some toys.
all. No. Fan.
Fan, electricity. Okay, that's fine. Oh, that's fair as. Okay, I'll do that. Okay. Your favorite romantic destination? You seems like a romantic guy from your poetry.
Maldives for sure.
Oh, if we have to ask within
Mafusi
Delhi.
Island. In Delhi, it's very hard to pick a place. I love,
Quiet
Qutub
place.
Minar. Qutub Minar a lot.
Yeah. That's the reason you have a DP with the Qutub Minar. I checked that.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. So you went with someone there. You went on a date with someone there.
No, not at all. I went there with my friends just to explore,
To explore
historical
Qutub
monuments.
Minar.
Yeah, historical
Are you sure?
monuments. Yeah,
Are you sure?
absolutely. Yeah,
I'm sure
bro.
you're not lying.
Why would I lie?
I can do a lie
Especially that
detector.
Manish Paul.
I can do a lie detector test.
Yeah, sure.
Are you
You
sure?
can try it. Yeah.
Okay. I'll take that. So I'll dig in further and see what exactly it is. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So, as I mentioned as well before, that there seems to be, you seems to be a quite romantic guy. So what inspires yours? What's the inspiration behind your poetry?
There is no inspiration because
You cannot skip this question. You have to answer this question. There is some
no,
inspiration.
really.
There is some
People-
inspiration.
Yeah, Mukul bhai told me that I'm a kind of flirty boy because it all
Mukul told you that you are flirty. You doesn't know that you are flirty.
it all happened. Let me just tell you an incident.
Okay, it comes naturally. What I got to know that suddenly whenever you see a gang of girls around or a gang of females around, suddenly your English becomes Urdu और एकदम से तलफ़्फ़ुज़ और सब कुछ आपका चेंज हो जाता है. आप बहुत ही तमीज से और क्या कहते हैं तलफ़्फ़ुज़ is the right word?
Yeah, pronunciation.
तलफ़्फ़ुज़. हाँ, आपका एकदम पोएट्री एकदम निकलने लग जाती, बहने लग जाती है. You become a poet. एकदम से लगता है मिर्जा गालिब से बात कर रहे हैं.
ये डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग आप कह लीजिए. डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग है मतलब इसको तो चेंज ही नहीं किया जा सकता.
Okay, being flirty is a default setting. Is that what you're saying?
No, flirty. No, being flirty basically is not a default setting because
Being Sufi, okay.
Yeah. Because I'm from Allahabad, so we believe in Tehzeeb because I have from Tehzeeb Yafta family.
Right. So why it comes only when you see a female around?
It's natural, it's natural.
We should respect females. Yeah, I buy that. No worries. So
Thank
nothing.
you.
Okay, that's all for the first round, and great job done. Great job done on
Thank you.
that.
Thank you.
I
very
loved
much.
your spirit, man. Okay, let's move ahead to our second section, which is power play.
Hi guys, this is Rishabh Rajput from Hunters Cricket Club. This video is for our Hunters player. He's a very good bowler and he is a very good fielder as well. In short, he is a very nice person and down-to-earth person. So I want to watch him in the next episode with the Rahul. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi everyone, my name is Ravi. I am from Hunters Family. I would like to introduce my guest today. Here, he is the poet by nature. He is very nice and he is very quick in ground, and he is as a sane one in our team. So please stay tuned on Sunday.
So in this particular round, what will happen? You will have a minute, and you'll have to attempt at least 6 questions. I have 6 questions for you. So you have to. Let's see how many questions you can answer. Okay.
Okay. On my toes.
Okay. Yeah. So your time starts now. How many wickets Manu Sharma has taken?
Manu sir, in entire career.
Yeah, as per cricket heroes.
Uh,
Time is running.
20 wickets, I think. 20.
Wrong answer. 6. Tom Cruise. First movie of Tom Cruise. His debut
First
movie.
movie.
Is your favorite actor?
Yeah, he is my favorite actor.
Okay, clock is ticking. Time is running. Pass. You can pass. Okay.
Yeah.
2 dot balls. 2 sixes rather, I would say. Name 3 spinners from UP represented India.
Kuldeep Yadav.
Hmm?
And the second spinner, hardcore spinner.
If you don't know, skip. You can attempt other questions. If you
Skip,
remember, try. If you doesn't know the answer, skip. Time is running.
Skip.
Okay, let's skip.
Yadav, I know.
Okay, only one. So I'll give you half. What is the full name of PV Sindhu?
Oh my god.
Is it a googly?
Oh my god. Even Manu sir can't answer it.
But he's not a badminton freak. You said that you love badminton. So you should know.
Yeah.
Okay, by the way, your time is up. So but you can still, I'll give you leeway and you can still attempt to this question.
No idea.
Okay, it's Pusarla Venkata Sindhu.
Oh my gosh. Thank God I skipped it.
Oh my god. Dude. You could only attempt 4 questions and half was right only. So I was expecting that at least you would know that who were the 3 spinners actually represented, and there were only 3 basically.
Okay.
Who represented India. One was, if you remember,
Piyush Chawla.
Piyush Chawla, who is currently player. 2 are currently player, active players. Kuldeep Yadav and Piyush Chawla. The third one was Gyanendra Pandey, who debuted in 1999.
Yeah, he's from Allahabad.
He also played. He was an all-rounder, I think, at that point.
Yeah, he was an all-rounder.
So, I was expecting you to answer this.
No
Okay.
issue, bro.
So now I will not say anything about your performance here, and I'll definitely ask Manu to mark you down.
Cut this round, please. Cut this round.
Okay, on that note, let's quickly move ahead to our third section, which is reverse swing.
Hey guys, this is Siddiq from the beautiful place on earth called Kashmir. Today I want to talk about our guest, who's a phenomenal leggy from a cricketing background. The leg prodigy from Hunters Black has got all the variations a leg spinner should have. Apart from the cricketing skills, he has got some writing skills as well. I wish him all the best in this episode and all the very best in his future endeavors. Thank you.
For me, Heather requires no introduction as he is integral part of Hunter's family. He's responsible, he's passionate, determined, and a definite team player. He's a pocket dynamite, as I see, with live wire attitude on the field. I still remember when I played with Heather for the very first time in Hunters. During the huddle, I noticed, there is a slim, thin guy standing quiet and introduced by the captain as a leggy. My initial reaction was really, let's bring it on. My perception got changed about him in the same match when I saw a different side of Heather. With aggression, with someone who is right on the face of the opposition. He's not afraid of doing that. He's not just good of a leg spinner, but he's a wonderful fielder, a ground fielder. This guy is quick as lightning. There is no doubt about that, and I doubt that if there is anyone who can match up with his pace in the team. This guy has some real skills to be a good cricketer, and no wonder, as he comes from a family, background wherein family background of cricketers. I would say you just cannot take cricket away from him at any given point of time. this guy is a real rock star for Hunters over the period of time. I still remember the match of DN Cup finals wherein the entire team was bundled out for mere 114 runs, and this guy came up with a miraculous spell, giving nothing away to the opposition and taking good quick wickets and bringing us back in the game. And let me remind all of all the viewers that the match went till the last ball, till the 20th over, and we could have won the finals of DN Cups on the shoulders of Heather. I'm personally a fan of Heather's bowling. This guy has multiple many varieties in his armory that he can play around with. But personally, I'm a fan of his quick ball that gives no time for the batsman to react. As a batsman, you have no reaction time, and he's one leg spinner who can manage the new ball also, and manage can open the proceedings for you in a T20 match. I agree and believe in this fact, and I think all will agree to the same, that this guy is a true asset for Hunters, and I wish him all the success in his life and for his journey with Hunters. Thank you.
Okay, now comes the most interesting part. So in this particular round, make sure that you're wearing all the guards,
Gadgets, yeah.
all gadgets, all protective guards. So keep your helmet ready, your elbow guard, and pads and everything. All get up. Here comes my first question. Most of your career, you have played under the captaincy of Manu Sharma. How do you find him as a captain? A piece of advice for Manu Sharma on his captaincy.
He's a nice captain. There's no doubt, and he has more intel about every player who has been constantly playing in the Delhi NCR region. So he has more information than Mostad, I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
he has a very good network.
Yeah, very good. You just give him a name of any player, he will tell you the strength and weakness of that player. Yeah.
I think he has more information than Google.
Yeah.
He's a search engine.
I feel like that.
That was okay. So recently there is a change in the captaincy, and Manu has stepped down as a captain, and Gulam is the new captain for Hunters Black. So what's the difference you have seen in Gulam and Manu's captaincy, and who is better basically?
Manu sir is better because I played only 2 matches under Gulam sir's captaincy.
You are so defensive. You just saved yourself.
I'm a bowler. I'm a bowler. I have to save myself by any means.
You can say who is a bowler's captain? Do you know there are captains जो कि कुछ होते हैं जो batsmen के लिए होते हैं, जो कि सोचते हैं कि हाँ bowlers का काम सिर्फ या ball करो. Not that much, इतना नहीं. Bowlers match नहीं जीता था, batsmen match जिताते हैं, right? कुछ होते हैं जैसे गांगुली था, विराट कोहली was like कि bowlers जो होते हैं 20 wickets लोगे, कुंबले was one of them, aggressive captain जो होते हैं 20 wickets लो तो match होता है. Bowlers basically win matches. So what do you think? Manu और गुलाम किस type के captain है?
Apparently, Manu sir is the best. I think Manu sir, because I still remember a match.
Hey, wait. Why are you? Okay, understand. Did you listen to my question? My question was something else, and you are just saying Manu is the best. Manu is this. Is he? I'm sure उन्होंने पैसे दिए हैं या फिर उनकी तारीफ करने के लिए?
For last 2 days, I have been receiving threatening calls from Manu sir.
Don't tell me, really? Are you serious? Okay, so he threatened you to take or say good things about him online. Oh my God! I will see that. I'll definitely see that. Okay. Dude, you were not supposed to reveal it. Anyways, let's move ahead to our second question quickly. If I promote you as a captain next day, tomorrow, will you bring any change in the opening combination?
No, not at all.
Why?
We have the best squad, and we have
the best squad. But the squad is of 15 players, and you can only afford to have 11 in the playing 11. 11 players.
Yeah.
You can only play 11 players. So will you make any change?
No,
looking
not
at
at
the
all.
current, form. Listen to me. Looking at the current form of our openers, will you bring any change or not?
No, not at all. I'll go with the flow.
You'll
जो
go with
चल
the
रहा है
flow.
उसे चलने दो.
So basically, you will not contribute anything as a captain.
Yeah, means अभी तो सब कुछ
Yeah.
सही है. Means everything is fine because दोनों
There is
openers जो हैं.
there is always
अच्छा कर रहे
room for improvement.
Exactly.
And when you will be promoted as a captain, that means we see that you will bring some changes. So Hunter would be a different team or a better version of themselves tomorrow.
I'll try Arpit because he's a nice batsman.
And you will replace Arpit with
Arpit with Ankit basically.
Ankit. He doesn't open.
Yeah.
Gulam and Manu Sharma. They are the two openers.
No, when Gulam sir were in in
Ankit
Chennai,
plays.
Chennai,
No,
yeah.
okay. So Gulam is a regular opener, and he opens with Manu.
Okay. It's a tough call, I think.
It's not a tough call, but at
For
times
me,
you have to take.
but
At
yeah,
times you have to
but-
take tough decisions for the team.
Yeah, exactly. But I'll give I'll promote Arpit because he has lots of potential.
Okay, you will promote
Yeah.
Arpit, which is right. I get that thing, but who will you drop?
Manu sir.
You'll drop Manu.
Yes.
Okay, that is quite a statement, Manu sir. He'll drop you. Okay, I'll move ahead now.
Sorry, Manu sir.
So,
Hello.
Yeah. I'm still there. Okay, if you have to defend 6 runs in an over, and you're bowling to that last over, which Hunter batsman would you prefer to bowl against?
Sunny bhai.
Why? Sunny's, you think he cannot score 6 runs in an over?
Not at all.
Sunny, again, there's a serious challenge. In last episode as well, Mukesh, send or thrown some challenges. In this particular episode as well, there is a new challenge basically. Heather has claimed that he can defend 6 runs if you'll be batting against him.
Definitely,
Okay,
I will.
I want you to comment on that, and we'll see that on field. Okay, moving ahead. What do you think? मतलब एक लाइन बोलूंगा आपको बताना कि कौन सा हंटर प्लेयर इज एक्चुअली क्लोज टू दैट पर्टिकुलर लाइन या फिर कौन सा बंदा हंटर का रिफ्लेक्ट्स दैट एटीट्यूड.
Okay.
घर में चूहा बाहर शेर.
घर में चूहा बाहर शेर. Okay. Gulam sir.
Gulam, are you sure? Are you serious? Because
Yeah.
what I think about that guy, that he is what he is. He's an open book. सबके सामने वैसे ही हो.
नहीं घर में
Do
तो
you
वो
think
कभी
Gulam?
हाँ क्योंकि घर में वो whenever you talk to him if he is at home so he talk very slowly that I will come tomorrow like this.
Okay. So घर में basically you're saying कि he's a lion who is he's a caged lion और जब बाहर आता है तो he is the true lion who is roaring and okay Gulam.
Well, to be very honest, Gauri bhai is Hunter's true lion. To be very honest, yeah, his aggression level is on different level.
Don't worry, he'll not save you. Whatever the damage has been done, you have dropped Manu. Okay, no problem. So I'll take few names now. So now you'll have to tell me कि ये बंदा किससे relate करता है. I'll take names as in few characters. I'll call out few characters. ठीक है. फिल्मी भी होंगे कुछ और कुछ real life से inspired होंगे. So now you have to tell me कि ये बंदा इसके काफी close है और ये बंदा ना इसकी याद दिलाता है. ठीक है. So who do you think is the Chulbul Pandey of Hunters? Who's the Robin Hood
Chulbul
Pandey of
Pandey.
kind of attitude?
Gaurav bhai.
Gaurav.
Always. Gaurav bhai.
Okay, and who is the Singham?
Singham, Rishi bhaiya.
Rishi Singham. I would have made Rishi Chulbul Pandey and Gaurav Singham.
No. For
Because-
me, Rishi bhai is.
Rishi Singham. Okay, core
Yeah.
aggression. Who do you think is like मैं अपना favorite हूँ? I, me, myself. That's it. मुझे कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता जनता का या फिर आसपास कौन है.
Sunny bhai. Sunny
Sunny.
bhai. Self-motivated
I be
guy.
myself.
He doesn't care about what is going on. Yeah.
Okay, less affected. काम बड़े और हाथ छोटे. You are stopped now. Now you have to tell us. No, still, be a sport. Give us a name.
Me,
You can-
of course.
Obviously. Okay. Who's the Bhavra of hunters? Who मतलब Bhavra समझते हो आप एक
Yeah, I know. From one flower to another.
वो बस एक फूल से दूसरे फूल पे high flower में Bhavra and just sits around on all the flowers available in the market.
Yeah.
In the garden, basically.
Sunny Bhai, of course. There is no
Sunny.
doubt. You will ask anyone from Hunters, he'll pick up his name.
Okay. Who is Tuk Tuk?
Tuk Tuk. Tuk Tuk batsman.
Yeah, batsman sorry.
Addy Bhai.
Sorry, Addy, once again. Heather,
Sorry, Addy Bhai.
you're
We'll
inviting
sort out this
real
issue
trouble.
personally.
Okay, now quickly tell me, who is the Ranjana of hunters? Lover boy,
Ranjana, okay.
Lover boy kind of a minute.
Ranjana. It's very hard.
Give one name. Just give one name.
Ranj-
Whichever comes in your mind. There's so many youngsters in our team here. You can take your name as well. You are also eligible for this category. Quickly.
Mari Muttu Bhaiya.
Take his full name.
I don't know his full name.
You are, oh God. Okay, it's disqualified. You have to give me the full name. Or at least first
Okay,
name. At least the first name.
His name is a South Indian taste, in his name. So it's very hard for me.
Okay, do you understand this category? Who is the lover boy? Lover boy, man. He's serious kind of guy. And like completely dedicated. Ranjana.
Ranjana.
Tere naam,
Talk
Salman
about
Khan.
Ranjana. Okay, Salman Khan type. Then Arpit, he's very dedicated for his, for
So are you
his
saying-
lover, basically.
तो आर यू सेइंग अर्पित ने अपनी जिंदगी किसी और के नाम अर्पित कर रखी है?
Yeah, totally, Arpit. Samarpit
Okay.
Arpit कर रखी है.
Aye. Okay. That's it's Arpit. Last one. Who is Major I Am Lati? Have you seen Shola Shabnam? There was a character. Major I Am Lati, Qaeda plus Kanun. Who is that character in Hunters? What do you think? As per you.
Everyone knows. It's very easy, teasy. It's
Who is
very
Qaeda
easy.
plus-
Even you know.
No, I don't know. I'm asking you.
Manu sir.
No, he's I Am Lati. Qaeda plus Kanun.
Yeah.
Probably it's right as well because he is the one who brings discipline in the team.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly. And just because of him, decorum has been maintained,
Exactly. So, now another question. Let's move ahead. If given a choice between Imran Hashmi or Nawazuddin Siddiqui, which hero you want to be? Basically, what I'm asking,
Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
you want to be a serial killer or a serial kisser?
Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Right, absolutely.
Yes.
Is there any specific
Faijal.
reason? Faijal.
Faijal.
I thought you'll pick Imran Hashmi.
Sorry, bro. I'm not that kind. You guys are protecting my image like that.
Okay. Which dating app is better? Bumble or Tinder?
No idea. I believe in Facebook or Instagram.
Okay, so you are stalking people or other girls on Facebook and Instagram.
No. That was just a sarcasm.
You said that. Okay. Okay. So that's all I had in reverse swing, and you really did well. Good job done on that.
Thank you.
Some
Thank you
really,
very
interesting and courageous answers you have given us. Okay, let's come to the last category now, which is dugout. And here we'll talk about your favorite hunter's memory. Let's start.
Okay. Well, means every match
ऐसा
playing with
कुछ-
hunters
ऐसा-
is a memory.
ऐसा कुछ इंसिडेंट इट्स नॉट अबाउट ओवरऑल जर्नी के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक मैच और ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट वेयर यू थिंक इट मूव्ड योर यू फेल्ट दैट नाउ यू आर मोर कनेक्टेड विद हंटर्स ऐसा कुछ इंसिडेंट हुआ हो?
Yeah, I still remember semi-final match in Baliavas, and that was a semi-final match. And the opponent was very star-packed. They have big names, big players. There was a player named Mavi. So before match, Manu sir walked up to me and said, "Heather, look at that guy, and only you can bowl him." I said, really, Manu sir?" So.
And it was your first match, second match, or?
It was my 5th match with Hunters.
Okay. So
Yeah,
comparatively
and that
new.
was
Comparatively
Yeah.
new.
So he gave me ball in 7th over, and I just bowled flighted. First delivery was pretty flighted, and that
Just after the power play.
Yeah. Smashed it very hard, and ball went to the boundary line. And then I was very disappointed. Manu sir walked up to me and said, "Heather, stick with your strength because your strength is googly. Just try to bowl googly." So next ball I tried flipper. So that batsman gently played it. Okay. Then I brought my bazooka, my thunderbolt googly. So that time I bowled googly, and fortunately that batsman bowled, and whole Hunters cheered up, and that was a very memorable match for me because I got the first award with Hunters as a best fielder award.
Oh, best fielder award. But why people claim that you can't take catches?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Is that true or not? Because I remember that match.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, I'm just trying to pull your legs. Anything else you would like to share about your childhood memory apart from Hunters, which actually moved you, your favorite throughout your life? Anything? ऐसा कुछ?
Yeah, there is. There are lots of memories from childhood.
Pick one, which you think is closest to your heart.
Okay, I still remember I played a match against Indian Railways, okay, in Allahabad.
Okay.
And against team was very star-packed. They had 6 Ranji Trophy players.
Oh my God.
And that match I took 5 wickets, and that was the
really
I was
nice.
on 7th peak, 7th sky. So that was a very memorable day for me.
That's exactly यार 7th भी कम होगा. I think cloud 9 वाइन पे पहुंचे होगे भाई तुम. Worth remembering here, and it's definitely. So that's all we have for today, Heather, and I really appreciate your sporting spirit. You were a great guest,
Thank
and
you.
you faced all the deliveries with Hunter's passion, which we would say कि बिल्कुल लग के जैसे बोलते हैं ना, लग के खेलते हैं, and बिल्कुल उसी पैशन के साथ नजर आया यार ये कॉन्टेस्ट भी. I loved it. So before we conclude this, I would want you to say कि कुछ you want to say something about कि हमने जो initiative start किया है और what we should do, और in this time कैसे हम लोग time spend करें. अपना कोई experience if you want to share with us, or if you want to talk anything about Hunters or any message for Hunters. Are you missing? I know you definitely missing on-field action, but anything you want to say about Hunters?
Because there is no doubt this.
Yeah. So over to you. It's your time.
Yeah, means my journey, because when I came to Delhi, I didn't even think that I would ever play cricket. And this club is not the right word, because it has become a family now. Give me opportunity to play with them. So I would like to share a line that हम अकेले ही चले थे जानिबे मंजिल, मगर लोग मिलते गए और कारवां बनता गया.
क्या बात है. Absolutely. And I think this fits right for Manu, because ये उनका brainchild था probably, and he is from.
I have a line for Manu sir as well.
Yeah, definitely, why not? I hope उन्होंने
That
कुछ okay. Is it paid? उन्होंने कुछ
Sponsored by
bribe तो
Manu
नहीं
sir.
किया? Sponsored by Manu sir. Okay. Okay, please go ahead.
okay, रोज तारों को नुमाइश में खलल पड़ता है. रोज तारों को नुमाइश में खलल पड़ता है. चांद पागल है, अकेला ही निकल पड़ता है.
क्या बात है मनु सर. आई थिंक आप इसे माफ कर देना, इसका बनता भी है, इतनी तारीफ कर दी और आपने इसे पे भी किया इतना ज्यादा. सो डेफिनेटली you have invested a lot in Heather. So Heather, anything else you want to talk about Hunters or this initiative we have taken?
definitely it's a great initiative. Because in this low time, you guys are doing great. Especially you. I wasn't aware that you have this kind of skill. I didn't know that we have Manish Paul in our team. You are superb, Rahul Bhaiya. To be very honest, I played 2 or 3 matches with you, but you are an amazing guy.
Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. And let me tell you guys,
You
मैंने
didn't
इसको
pay
कुछ
me for this. You
हाँ
didn't
मैंने
pay me
इसको
for this.
कुछ पे नहीं किया है. It's not paid at all. So before we conclude the show, let's follow the ritual. Heather, any song for the hunters?
Yeah, there's a song that I have written it and I have composed it.
That's really nice, man. All yours.
Okay, my voice is not that good, but still I'll try. That सहरा में आब हो या शायर का ख्वाब हो, हर दिल की उम्मीद हर दिल की आस हो, ढूंढे तुझे हर पहर शाम सुबह गांव शहर, रब की है मंजिल ये है रब का इशारा, है मेरा सहारा ये इश्क तुम्हारा, आसमां में जैसे यूं चमके सितारा. Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. And I can't believe that you are single and there is no story behind your, love, poetry.
Yeah.
There needs to be some. There has to be some.
No, not at all, bhai.
Anyways, I'll wait. I'll research more. Then I'll come back to you. I'll WhatsApp you that details. And that's all we have for today. Thank you for joining us and see you guys next week with our new guest.
Thank you, Rahul Bhaiya.
Thank you, everyone. Take care. Goodbye. Stay tuned.
Think of health. Think of us. Think of weight management. Think of us. Think of lifestyle modification. Think of us. We are Anchal's Nutri Treasure. We have a history of changing life to healthy life over the period of 2 years now. Healthy life with healthy diet is the name of the game we all are in for. If yes, we are the one, Anchal's Nutri Treasure. Personalized services from qualified dietitian Anchal Garg Sharma around metabolic disorders like diabetes mellitus, cholesterol, hypertension, thyroid, and PCOS management, etc. Interested healthy life, healthy diet believers can reach us at our Facebook and Insta pages at anchal.nutritreasure, email anchal.nutritreasure@gmail.com, contact number 886-042-8386.